This is the location on the Volkswagen Jetta for the refill of the washer fluid. Here's the container on the left hand side of the vehicle, which is on the right from the, if you're sitting in there, it's on the passenger side of the vehicle in the front. Just pop this top up, and you see there's a screen down in there to catch any debris that might try to get into the system. Yeah, sorry for all this noise. This is how you would fill it up. You're just going to lift that lid up, and then you're going to just pour the fluid in there until it gets up to the top. There's a fill line just below that blue ring, and you want to get it to right in this area will be good, where that line is, just above the VW. Once you get it there, then you're all filled up, and just make sure you snap your lid back on. You're all set to go, guys. Again, this is the location and how to fill up washer fluid.